Hi, this is Leetcode 268, missing number, and we're gonna solve it in Python. We're given an array nums containing n distinct numbers in a range from O of n, from 0 to n. Returns the only number in the array that is missing from array. Returns the only number in a range. We have range from O to n that is missing in array. Okay. So we have 3, 0, 1 example, output 2 because 0, 1, 2 is missing, 3 is exist. And the same 0, 1, 2 is missing here. And 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 8 is returned. Yeah. And constraints are, yep. This is the main constraint, and this is a size, pretty much small, and all numbers are unique. Yeah, this is important thing. Also, follow up: could we implement solution only O1 extra space complexity and ON runtime complexity? Okay, so first thing. First solution that I have is, I can think of, is brute force. We enumerate from, let's call it brute force. Brute force we enumerate from 0 to n and check and enumerate through the array. First we 0 to n, then we enumerate through array and see if there is an n in array, and if not, we return n. I in array, return I if I is not in array. Yep. So this time complexity of this will be O n square, and space complexity will be O1. Better solution will be if we create hash map, and first we enumerate through array. Enumerate array. Put values into hash set or hash map. And second step, we enumerate through e to n from 0 to n, and if I is not in hash map, we return I. So time complexity for this will be ON, and it will be 2 ON, which is ON. Space complexity will be ON -1, which is ON2. However, our follow-up is only been using O1 extra space. And to implement this, there is a simpler solution. We know that from mass that sum of all elements of n elements, right, will be n multiplied by n plus 1 divided by 2. So if we calculate sum of nums, our result will be sum of nums and this sum and this will be our result. And because sum will be O1, so in this case we will have best solution time complexity ON, space complexity O1 as as it's required in this condition. So it will just return let's calculate n first, n equal n nums, and then return minus some nums. Whoa. Oh, okay. So we have to get like int from it. I don't know yet. Okay, let's try this. Yep. Submit. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, so this is it for 286 missing number. So next thing I will solve 386, find unique character in the string. Yes, so given a string S, find the first non-repeating character in it and return as index, and return its index. If it doesn't exist, return -1. So we have an input, Leetcode, and we return 0 because L letter is not repeating, non-repeating, and we return. Here we return 0, 1, 2, which is V not repeating. And here all letters repeating, we return -1. Then in power of 5 constraint, asks is only lowercase English letter. So first solution I can think of is we create first we enumerate so brute force for this will be we'll go through every character and take first character, right, like L, and then search from first to further and see if there is no L, another L into array, and then we take E, and if there is no other letter, we just return it right away. If there is we go to next one, and so on. And we take E, then we take T and go through the array, and so on. But for this case, we just return L, right? So first we go through entire array. L is not exist anymore. We return L. For this as well, yeah, and so on. We take L, we find L, then we take O, we find O, then we take V. There is no V, right? So we return index of this. So brute force will be n square space complexity and time complexity. Let's copy it from here. And yeah, another better solution will be to create hash map with all occurrences occurrences when key will be character and value will be number of occurrences. And then second step of chars in string, and the second step will be just we will go through a hash map and we will go through string and we find if we read occurrences from let's call this OC occurrences. We read occurrences from OC, and if OC for character is equal 1, we return index of the string. So in this case, for this solution, we will have called hash map, right? ON, SC, ON. We don't have any other conditions, so let's implement this solution. First, we create a hash map OC, then we go for I think there is a better way to create okay, for E in S element in string, if E in OC, then we add element with OCE equal 1, else we just increment this. And second, for we need index and element. This this is a way in Python I can get both element and index from string. If this OCE equals 1, we just return I. Otherwise, we return -1. Okay. Nice. Let's click submit. accepted. Yeah, basically that's it. Thank you.